Poulet au Gnemboue. Chicken with nuts. A main dish from Gabon. Serve 6. You will need 7 ingredients. Step 1. Start by putting the roasted nuts into the blender with a little of the stock. Mix well, making sure the nuts are crushed into a paste and then adding more stock as required to make a sauce. Step 2. Pour the sauce into a large pan and put over gently heat. Now add chili powder, garlic, spring onion, salt and pepper, mixing with a spoon. Step 3. Next put in the chicken pieces and turn them around to coat them all over with the nut sauce. Cover the pot and cook over a very low heat for 1 hour or until the meat is cooked. Check often and stir to prevent sticking.
CountryReports.
Adding more stock or water if necessary.
Travel.